Thursday, October 19th. If you don't have these, they're only 29 cents. And it's only a diamond, 55 cents. So you could get books, t-shirts, and comics. And all that will be here on October 19th. The books, October 23rd. The shirts, October 20th. The comics, October 19th. Keep that in mind. Wisconsin Siren Test is selling some good stuff. And it's not for free. It's only a quarter and 25 cents. So, be there now. Wisconsin Siren Test, t-shirts, comics, and books. I will see you guys on the next video. And goodbye. Take the L, Jelena!